All right, here we are at the login page, and we need to put in username and password. It's both admin. It's the default admin. But you can change it when after you log in, of course. And you can change it here. You can change the password. The old password admin, just to put in your new password. All right. So firstly, we are at the home page. The home page is it only shows some information about the server and the campaign and player status. Right now, as you can see, the server ID is exactly the computer ID and the port, and the campaign and player status. For example, how many players is configured to the system, how many players is online. And right now, you can see there's one player is online already, because before the software installation, I already set up a media player and put in this IP and website port in that media player, and so right now it's online, and it automatically goes online. So it's quite simple. If you use in our products, you will know how easy it is. All right, so let's move on to resource. Resource is where you put all the images, videos, music, audio files, put it here. You can so that you can use it when you to compose a campaign, right? And so we can here we can create a few folders. All right, like this folder is good. This name, images. Okay, video. We're doing this to. It will be more easy to manage all those files, right? To categorize them. Image, all right. Let's upload a few images from this computer. You see here, there's a browse, and this is my computer desktop. There's let's upload two GPG images. All right. And don't forget to click upload. If you don't click here, it won't upload. All right, and video upload. It's the same. Just select a video and click upload. This MP4 video. And I will just do the images and videos. And I don't think I have audio files on my computer. And those are just the regular media format. And the ISS is a special media format. Some like BBC companies or governments, they sometimes provide some free ISS feed. It's mostly test news, and just sometimes we have customers need to display the ISS feeds. So here you can create a new ISS feed. For example, BBC, if they have one, and I believe they have a free ISS feed, and you click edit. You can just new and put in the ISS feed URL here. That is it. It's easy, right? And template. Template is like as you can tell from the name, you can create different layouts like this. Let's see. For example, we do it on manual. All right. Test. All right. We're doing templates. Of course, we just use empty template. And here there's a resolution. Let's see what's in. You see, there's many resolutions. This is good because there's some customers, they told me that they bought a media player and software from other suppliers, but when they connect the media player to their TVs, and the content cannot fully display on the screen because the resolution is not correct, and they cannot adjust the resolution. So that is not good. But our product, it won't have that issue. And you can see here, right? All those resolution, they are the landscape style, and it has also the portrait style. Right? This is portrait style, right? Let's see. Okay. All right, let's edit. Edit. All right. Let's see. You can see here on the right side. You can see there's many tabs. You can see the video, image, text, all the stuff. All right. Let's just do it, and let's see what's happening. Video. When I click it, there's a blue zone, a video zone. All right, which means that we can add video files in this zone, right? And we can drag it anywhere. We can just adjust the size, right? We can do anything you want, right? And do this video, and you can add more than one video zone. I mean, you see, there will be 2 videos, but we here we use 1 video zone. All right, delete it. All right, the image means you can put in many images in this zone. And ISS, right? ISS, you see. In the resource where if you already create an ISS feed, we can use it here, and to add that feed in this ISS zone. And all right, because we don't have it, so we don't need the ISS. Hybrid zone means that you can put this error, pushing this error videos and images, and both of them. It can support 2 formats. Yeah, let's delete it. We don't use this zone. And device is good. Device zone is quite good because we have many customers, they like it very much. Sometimes, you know, the big company, they have many chain stores, and the headquarters, they want to control all of the screens in the chain stores, but they also want to leave a zone to their employees to update related contents. So if you create this zone, and this zone, it can only update contents through the USB, and so it's quite convenient for the employees to display some special news on their store or restaurant chain stores. It's quite easy for the employees to do that. And all right, we also don't use this one. Let's add this the web zone. Web zone is good. We can show the website. If you are a company, you can also show the website, your company website. And we add another, test. We forgot test. Test is good, right? We just show some test. We use it often. The test, it can do, it can run from left to right, or run from right to left, because we have some Middle East customers. They need to run from left to right. Right? From right. Yes. From right to left. They need from right to left. Yeah. So it's good. For example, here you can also we select this test zone and advanced. You can see here, you can choose the background color, the font color, and the font, all the stuff, the direction. You see here, direction from right to left and left to right. I think there must be one that's suitable for you. And single line is a step to left or something. You can also control the running speed. The speed, there's 5 levels. Yeah. And the multi-line, I mean, just it can step to top. It's running to top, right? It's quite convenient, no matter what you need. All right. And time means time zone. You can add the date and clock, and a week. It shows Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and what time and what date. And also weather. You can add the weather, the temperature, weather icon. For example, there's a sun right there, a cloud, weather title. It shows cloud or sunshine, something like that. And the logo, right? You can just put in your logo on there, transparent logo. And camera, this video in is quite special, and it's also very popular because video in, which means this video in era, it can display like a live TV or live video, and any live video signal it can display here. But you have to use our products with HDMI input. If you bought our product without HDMI input, so this has no use for you, right? And all right, we're not going to show this one here. And camera is also some. For example, it's a retail store. They install a camera, a security camera, and if it has HDMI or USB, it can connect to our device, and the live camera video will show on your screen this error, right? I think it's easy to understand. It's a little bit similar with this video in, but yeah. Active Stream is also a live video streaming. It's quite similar, those features. And some customers, they have some special requirements. And where there's many, maybe you only need some very simple like image and video and test. You don't need all of stuff, but it's okay because this software is very powerful. It's for all kinds of customers. Okay, and now we just save it. Okay, so this template is done, and we can do more templates here. And those templates, you can use it at the composer. Let me show you. Okay, let's move on to the composer. Composer, you can see it means you can create a playlist like loop playlist and demand playlist, insert playlist. Let's start from loop. Loop, it means like if I create a playlist, loop playlist test. All right, I create this test and loop. So the playlist name is test, and I can create new programs. Program name also, for example, okay, iPhone 8. Here you can see the templates. We can also use empty. Empty, we need to do the layout again. But we already create a resource. We already create a template. So we can use it. Custom test. That's exactly the manual, right? That's the template we did, and we can use it here. Okay. And if we use it, the layout is already there, because we just did. So we're using that template, and we can also create a new program. The beats is the template. We make it empty. All right, empty, and this is a portrait Full HD, the resolution. Let's see what it looks like. All right. So it's empty. It's an empty the landscape. So we need to do it here, just like we did as the resource template. It's the same, and I'm not going to do it again here. Okay, and so you can see under this playlist test, we can create many programs. This is program 01, this is program 02, and many programs. And so the loop, it means like the playlist. If you send it to the players, it will loop play, just keep playing. one more time, just and demand. Demand means it means it's the same. You need to build a playlist and to create a playlist and create new programs, right? But if you send it to a player, it won't play because it needs to be triggered. You have to trigger it to play. For example, you have to get the remoter to press. For example, the program number 1, you press the number 1 on the remoter, and then it will play. So you have to trigger it. And insert is like you don't have to trigger it, but you have to schedule it. You have, for example, I schedule this playlist to play on Sunday afternoon and 2 p.m. like that, and so it will play when the time is there. So it's quite easy to understand, right? But most of customers, they only need the loop. It's quite useful, right? And right now we can see here the name test is in red. It's in red because we didn't audit. Here there's an audit is also in red. If we select it and audit, which means we confirm this playlist is done and everything is good, and it's ready to be sent to be delivered to players. And now let's go to player. Well, there's already a player online. It's configured online, as I told you before. I already set up a media player and put in the server IP, everything. And so now it's just automatically goes online, and you can see it here. And I can change the player name. For example, we can change it to New York, the Fifth Avenue was something. It depends on where is the player, so that you can manage them clearly. And right here, there's only one player online, so I can. I'm gonna show you. How to send to how. Oh no, I think we're not done here because we just did the layout. We didn't add the content. I'm sorry. I just let's see content. Because the layout is done, but we didn't add contents in it, right? And so we just need to click video error, right click is to add a video in it. This is the video we just uploaded. Add, all right, it's done. It's quite easy. Image, and we select a few images. 2, okay, there's 2. Add, and here the images you can add some effect. I mean give it some effect. Let's select it and add it. If you add it, you can see here, you can set up the play time. You can make it play longer, maybe 10 seconds, like that. And the effects means all those effects you can select. Right, cartoon left, cartoon right, grid, scroll up, all those stuff. What about scroll up? Scroll up is good. Effect time, you can also set up 2 seconds. All right. All right, that's it. It's quite simple. And website is you just need to put in your website URL. Just put in. We use this one. All right. This is Chinese Google. It's all right. All right. And test. Let's add a new test. Welcome. Sorry. To watch that. Demo video. All right. And so in the content system, each zone we add contents in that, right? And also we can add music, but there's no music in audio, so we can add background music. And all right, let's preview. It just looks like this. And here is a website, the Chinese Google. You can see a website. Here is a test. It's running from right to left. It can also run in the opposite direction. All right. Here's the video. Okay. I guess now this program or playlist is done, right? Unless you want to schedule it, you know, you can here you can see schedule, right? And there's a calendar here. You can click to schedule it. Select this iPhone 8. Okay. Let's just schedule it. For example, we this is 1 month. So 1 month we can change it, maybe 2 months, 3 months. Date from August 1st to September 1st. You can let it play every day. Every day. If you play every day, it will play every day. Or you can only allow it to play on Monday, on Wednesday, and Friday. You can just check that. It's quite flexible, like this. Only every week on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, it will play. Then you can also set up the time. For example, time from what about from 9 o'clock? Okay, 10 o'clock almost to this time. All right, this is good, right? And we click simple. Now it's scheduled. We save it. It's scheduled. So the iPhone 8 it will play during this month on Monday, Tuesday, and start time is this time, end time is this one. So it's like this. It's quite simple. All right. Now it's also scheduled, right? It's timed. It's timed, and we changed the program. So now it's the name is in red again. So we need to audit again. Now this playlist is ready to be sent to be delivered to players. Okay, let's go to player. Let's check this player and then campaign, the loop campaign. Let's select the test and band. Okay. If you band, then the player, this content, this playlist, it's downloaded. It's downloaded on the player, and the view you can see it's a download, right? It's downloading. So the media player is not always using the internet. They only need to connect to internet when they're downloading. And here is the download status. You can see the total is 20 MB, and now it has downloaded 8 MB. So when the download is finished, it will say finished, and then the player will be playing. So it's quite clear. Everything is clear. It's easy to understand. So the player is online for 20 minutes. Okay. And monitor. Monitor this. You can see this player information here. The volume. The player is connected to Wi-Fi, and here is the player CPU information and the storage information, all the stuff. And we can set up the media player on the server on this system. We don't have to go to the media player to get the remote to set up. Sometimes it's convenient for some customers. So, for example, I select this. I can clear. Clear means to remove all contents, to reboot, to restart the player, to make it sleep, to wake it up. Just remote control it. Setting. There's many stuff. I can set the volume, the volume intervals. Give the different time, different volume. I can set up the brightness too. I can set up. And on/off time, for example, I can select daily mode every day, power on at 9 o'clock, or because now we cannot change it because here we select the player in priority, which means you have to set up with the remoter as the player. But if you select server in priority, you can change it. We can change everything from the server end, right? Okay, and all of those stuff. Okay, and accounts. Accounts means here's the thing that we have some customers. They're big customers. They have different employees to be in charge of different stuff. Like they have graphic designers. They have manager to be in charge of send contents to send playlists to players, because they don't want some employees who is not responsible to send some sensitive contents to screens, right? So accounts is very useful, and here you can see you can create many roles, and for example you can name it graphic designer, and here you can give him permissions like the new group to create new groups, to audit files, to upload files, to delete files, and you can also create a role as a manager who is responsible to deliver the playlist to screens. So you can let him to do the stuff, like edit campaign, delete campaign, edit layouts, delete files, delete player, edit player, all those stuff. Isn't it check and uncheck? Check and uncheck the permission. And the user, for example, Tom, you give him the graphic designer role, something like that, and they can log in this system, use their username, use the username and the password to log in. It's very simple, and just like that. All right, and here statistics, which is quite popular in the big customers like media company. And they have deployed many screens in a city or all over the country or globally. So when the advertisers go to them to play ads on their screens, and of course the media company will charge for that, right? And but they need to provide the play report to the advertisers to show them how many times their ads were played on the screens, and this is very important. And because some advertisers need some the evidence that their ads was played on the screens. So you can just select a date. You can select date, for example, from August to September this month, and which you can select a player. All the stuff, the player, and you can select the player. For example, this player is playing ads for a special advertisers. So you can see how many times this player played the media files, how many times. So you can just export this export the report. It's very convenient. All right, and many small companies, they don't need the figures like this. This is designed for some big media company. And all right, I think we're done here. We just went through all of the main features of this software, and I believe I have made everything very clear. And if you still have some questions, you can contact us, and we will be here to help. All right, thank you for your time, and have a good day. Bye.